the old engines do not come with the side rods. So yesterday we were live streaming and someone told us about the side rods, so we just pulled the pins out and put some side rods on this Thomas, and the problem is that it makes a clicking noise. And here's what happened. What happened is the side rod is too short and not even too long to even work with this model. So we just swapped one from Trackmaster Revolutions, and I think it needs a bigger loop, maybe a little bit bigger, longer, and a little bit shorter to the side rod here. So it should look like this, but there is no way. Well, that's my opinion, that's what I think. But listen. So that's what pretty much happens, because the side rod, the loop right here, bounces or tops right there, see, right there, and when it goes back it's really short, and there's where it comes the clicking sound right there. See, now it's on, but it's not moving because it's right too tight. There it goes. Don't recommend to do that. I will not definitely recommend to do that. Look at that. Still works if you want to do that. Just grab your pliers, pull the pins out like this, and then you can customize your model. But it's not worth it. Look how it moves. Wobbly.